Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to fix your Skype app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will enter to the window of Skype and you click. Here in this page of app on 4 we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors or give you a lot of problems on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi to fix that problem you have on Skype. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.